Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Mac Creation. Today's video is about Navratri Day 6. This day is dedicated to goddess Katyayani. Katyayani, she is seen as the slayer of the tyrannical demon Mahishasura. She is also the sixth form amongst Navadurga, or the nine forms of Hindu goddess Durga. She is depicted with 4, 10, or 18 hands. This is the second name given for goddess Adi Parashakti in Amarakosha, the Sanskrit lexicon. Goddess Katyayani was worshipped by Sita, Radha, and Rukmini for a good husband. In Shaktism, she is associated with the fierce form of Shakti or Durga, a warrior goddess, which also includes Bhadrakali and Chandika. And traditionally, she is associated with the color red, as with goddess Parvati, the primordial form of Shakti. She is first mentioned in the Taittiriya Aranyaka, part of the Yajur Veda. Skanda Purana mentions her being created out of the spontaneous anger of gods, which eventually led to slaying the demon Mahishasura, mounted on a lion. The occasion is celebrated during the annual Durga Puja festival in most parts of India. Her exploits are described in Devi Bhagavata Purana and Devi Mahatmyam, part of Markandeya Purana attributed to sage Markandeya Rishi. Over a period of time, her presence was also felt in Buddhism and Jain texts and several tantric texts, especially the Kalikala Purana, which mentions Udiyana or Urdesa as the seat of goddess Katyayani and Lord Jagannath. In Hindu traditions like yoga and tantra, she is ascribed to the sixth Agnya chakra or the third eye chakra, and her blessings are invoked by concentrating on the point. According to the Vamana Purana, she was created from the combined energies of gods when their anger at demon Mahishasura manifested itself in the form of energy rays. The rays crystallized in the hermitage of Katyayana Rishi, who gave it proper form. Therefore, she is also called as Katyayini, or daughter of Katyayana. Elsewhere in texts like Kalikala Purana, it is mentioned that it was a Rishi Katyayana who first worshipped her. Hence, she came to be known as Katyayini. In either case, she is a demonstration or a partition of Durga and is worshipped on the sixth day of Navratri festival. The Vamana Purana mentions the legend of her creation in great detail. When the gods had sought Vishnu in their distress, he and at his command Shiva, Brahma, and other gods emitted such flames from their eyes and contagious that of a and because of that a mountain of effulgence was formed, from which became manifest Katyayani, refulgent as 1,000 sun, having 3 eyes, black hair, and 18 arms. Shiva gave her his trident, Vishnu a Sudarshan chakra or discus, Varuna a Shankha, a conch, Agni a dart, Vayu, a bow; Surya, a quiver full of arrows; Indra, a thunderbolt; Kubera, a mace; Brahma, a rosary and water pot; Kala, a shield and sword; Vishwakarma, a battle axe and other weapons. Thus armed and adored by the gods, Katyayani proceeded to the Mysore hills. There the Asura saw her and, captivated by her beauty, they so described her to Mahishasura, their king, that he was anxious to obtain her. On asking for her hand, she told him she must be won in fight. He took on form of Mahisha, the bull, and fought. At length Durga dismounted from her lion and sprang upon the back of Mahisha, who was in the form of a bull, and with her tender feet smote him on the head such a terrible force that he fell to the ground senseless. Then she cut off his head with her sword, and henceforth was called Mahishasura Mardini, the slayer of Mahishasura. The legend also finds mention in Varaha Purana and the classical text of Shaktism. The Devi Bhagavata Purana, Skanda Purana have another version where Katyayani appeared as two-armed goddess and later expand into 12 armed. Hence, because of Kartikeya's splendor, she got her name. Parvati gives her lion in her version. Its unique version as Katyayani forgives Mahisha. Green color signifies new beginnings and growth, and the color of this day is green. Hindus worship goddess Katyayani on this day as she is seen as the slayer of tyrannical demon Mahishasura. The prasada of this day is Rava Laddu, coconut rice, moong dal sundal. Thank you. See you in our next